Hello little learners, today we're learning about full stops. A full stop tells us when a sentence has finished. Let's learn together. A full stop looks like this. It is a very tiny dot. It's small but it's very important. It tells us, the reader, and you as a writer that the sentence is finished. As you go through school, you will learn about more punctuation like exclamation mark, question marks, commas, and so on. But for now, all you need to know is a full stop. It is the most basic one, and as we said before, it tells when a sentence is complete. Now, read this sentence. The cat is sleeping. Something is missing, isn't it? It needs a full stop. Now it looks like this. The cat is sleeping. Great job. Make sure you look very carefully at the end to see whether a full stop is there or not. Because it is very tiny, sometimes it is hard to see. But make sure you can see it clearly, and make sure when you're writing, you write it clearly too. Look at this sentence. I can jump. Should it have a sentence? Yes, it should have a full stop because it is a complete sentence. So you write I can jump with a full stop at the end. How about this one? The sun is hot. What do we add? A full stop. Excellent. Now we're going to do a little bit of a full stop challenge. I'm going to show you two sentences that are the same with the same words. One is going to be correct, one is not. You're going to tell me which one is correct. Okay, so the first sentence we have is the fish can swim. We have two variations of the same sentence. Which one is correct? That's right, the second one. Every sentence needs a full stop at the end. We're going to try another one. Okay, it is the same sentence again, but remember, you have to see which one is correct. So this sentence, it says the dog can run. You've got number 1 and number 2. Which one is correct? That's right, it's the first one. As we said before, every sentence needs a full stop at the end. Fantastic. Now remember, every sentence begins with a capital letter and every sentence ends in a full stop. Capital letter, words, full stop. Amazing work. Now you're becoming a fantastic writer. Remember to keep practicing writing simple sentences and including capital letters and full stops. And sooner or later, you'll be able to write really big sentences and even paragraphs soon. So remember to keep practicing. See you next time. Bye bye.